welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and I'm one half of Not Your Mama's Greens. So today I'm back with another grocery haul. It's a small one, but I'm going to be showing you guys how you can buy a small amount of food, pair it with what you already have in your fridge and your cabinet to plan out your meals for the week. So if you guys are looking to learn how to save money on buying mostly plant-based groceries, then this video is for you. Let's get into it. So you guys know, if you watched my last haul, I'm going to link it in the cards if you haven't, that I typically go to more than one store because it's hard to get all the stuff I need at a good price, and that's plant-based from one place. So today I went to Whole Foods and Walmart. Like I said, I had a smaller haul, so I didn't really need to be all over the place. From Whole Foods, I picked up these organic grapes. Now I will say, if I went to Aldi, I would have gotten them there because these were freaking expensive. But a key tip if you want to save money, if you have Amazon Prime, download the Whole Foods app on your phone. You can actually scan that at Whole Foods and you can take advantage of their sales that they have just for Prime members. So typically these grapes would be $7. But I got like $2.59 off because they had that sale, and I use my Prime, so it gives you that little extra discount. So that's an entire tip for you guys. I also picked up some soup. I got 2 of these Guardian soups. I will also link that video in the cards. We did a full review on these, but these were 2 of my favorites from that video, so I picked those up. And then I just also got another Amy's soup, which is usually the brand that I go with. So that's all that I got from Whole Foods. I'm going to put the total for the groceries on the screen so you guys can see that. But I spent $32 because I also got like a body oil. If I hadn't gotten that, it would have been about $20. Oh yeah, and I also got the smoothie from there that I was drinking. So I spent about $20 on this, which is, it's a lot, but that's just how it went today. So I can't really justify that. Of course, there's ways to get this cheaper, but it's just how my trip went. Anyway, let's move on to what I got from Walmart. So I picked up these berries. For some reason, they were out of like all the frozen produce, so I ended up getting these Wyman's triple berry. I got some of their berries before. They're like the wild blueberries, so they're like really small. And I really liked what I've tried from them, so I'm excited to try this triple berry blend, which has blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. And I'm going to be using that for a smoothie. I talked about that smoothie a bit in our last haul. It's also on our website if you guys want to check it out. I also got the bananas for that smoothie as well. And then I got some almond milk, which I'll be using for the smoothie, and I use it for my chai tea lattes, which I get from Zao. If you guys are interested in trying this, it's super good. It's a concentrate, and you just mix this with whatever plant-based milk you have, and you have instant chai tea way cheaper than going to Starbucks every day. Sorry guys, we got a cat in the house. You want to say hi, Fifi? Hi. Say hi to Not Your Mama's Greens. Hi. She's going away now. Anyway, I also picked up these Hungry Jack pancakes. These are vegetarian, not vegan. I couldn't find any vegan ones, and I always make pancakes. I'm definitely going to try to make my own vegan version, but for now I'm just going with these. I also got these saltines to go with my soups for the week. I'm going to be going in the office this week, so I definitely wanted something that was easy, quick, tasty to make. I didn't want to do any meal prep because I'm lazy. I also got chili beans, and I got these Rotel tomatoes. I use these to make my chili recipe, along with some crumbles. And then I got some rice to go with all that. So I'm going to kind of go from here and break down how I plan my meals out. First, let's start with dinner. I'm going out of town this week, so I only needed 2 meals. The first meal I actually already have in my cabinet. So I'm making Alfredo. Again, I'll link that in the cards. We just posted that video. But I already had vegetable broth. I already had olives, pasta. So there was no need for me to buy anything for that meal. I already had mushrooms and spinach. So that's one meal that I was able to cross off my list and definitely save me some money. The second meal, of course, I have is the chili. I just showed you guys the beans and the tomatoes. I also have some crumbles that I have in my freezer. I just have a little bit left, but it's just enough to make the chili. So again, that's saving me $6. I don't have to buy those crumbles. So getting creative like that is really the best way to save money when you're trying to eat plant-based. Again, I already have like a can of soup, so I have like 4 soups for the week, and I have some vegetable wraps if I want to make that for lunch. I already have my oats in my sweetener that I use to make my smoothie in the morning, so I don't have to worry about buying those. I also already had spinach. So I really was working with what was in my fridge, what was in my cabinet when I built out this grocery list, because that's the best way to, you know, stop food waste. Like, we talk about food waste and sustainability a lot. Going through your fridge before you go to the store is the ultimate hack, because there's been so many times where I've purchased things that I didn't need to purchase because I wasn't looking at my cabinet, I wasn't looking at my fridge and my freezer to see what I had to work with before I went out and I bought more things. So that's really my biggest tip to you guys, is to utilize what you already have and then try to find deals where you can. Things like having that Whole Foods app, going to multiple stores, looking for those sales. Those are the best ways to save money, not just eating plant-based, but eating in general. So I hope that this video helps you guys out. Let me know if you like it by giving it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, I don't know what you're doing. Be sure to do that. We have so many good videos coming up. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.